Today, we are expanding Divi's icon options, bringing you hundreds of new icons to choose from, as well as improving the Builder's icon picker to make it easier to find the icons you're looking for. We also added a new icon module and added new icon options to several existing Divi modules, giving you full control over the icons used in each. When picking an icon in Divi, you will notice that hundreds of new icons have been added to the list. That's because we integrated the Font Awesome icon set alongside Divi's native icons. You can filter between Divi icons and Font Awesome icons, and Font Awesome icons will only be loaded if you use them, so this update won't hurt your website's performance. The expanded icon set also comes with an expanded interface for browsing icons. Clicking the Expand button will open the icon list in a large pop-up, so you can browse through all of Divi's new icons more freely. You can also filter the icons by different icon styles, and most importantly, you can search through the list to quickly locate the icon you are looking for. We also added a new icon module so that you can easily add icons to your page. The new icon module comes with all of the design settings that Divi users are familiar with. We also updated all of Divi's current modules that use icons and added new options that allow you to customize them. This icon update comes with the full suite of social media icons, which means we also updated the social media follow module and added 36 new social networks to choose from. No matter where your business exists online, you can quickly create social buttons to help grow your following. Divi's new icon options are available today, so give them a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned for more great Divi updates coming soon, and don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you can be the first to know when our next Divi feature is released. I always give a detailed look into each feature, and it's a great way to get up to speed before you update your websites. If you are running your websites on Divi, these are videos you really don't want to miss.